Alright, this is house number 4. It is what we call a fixer. Alright, as we come along, you can see that they have opted for the no doors and windows look. A little bit of damage on the roof.
Minor.
The siding is a little rough. It is a monster of a house, and it's the closest to the river. Here's the big old garage. It's like half the house is garage. As you can see, there is a room above the garage
But we don't know what it
with a tree growing in here. And the electrical panels are installed. There's a lot of wires. I don't know why they would put those into a house that wasn't sealed, but hey. And then back here is where the AC goes. You come through, looks like the laundry room. Turn the corner. You got stairs going to the room upstairs, which we're not going to visit because it doesn't look very safe. Here's the side. This, I'm assuming, is a bedroom. Good size with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Water hookups, linen closet, bathtub. Then here's another nice sized bedroom. There's the wellhead out there. See that? There's the neighbor's property. Very nice. Horse farm. 2.9 million if you're looking. You come back this way. Go through this little hall. There's a nice big closet. And here you are at the entryway. Here's the entry. Here's a big area, which I think is the formal living, great room, I don't know. Here's the kitchen area. There's a big room back there, like a rec room, pantry. This is what I think would be the formal living. Big windows, front door, enormous ceilings, lots of mud daubers. You go this way, I'm guessing this is maybe an office. There's a big closet. It could be a bedroom. You go this way and it looks like you're entering the master. We've got a bathroom shower suite here that goes outside. We have a whopping big room, definitely a master bedroom with an outside entrance, big windows. And here is ginormous closet space on both sides. And then this massive tub feature, shower, toilet, vanities, it's all here. This room is as big as the master bedroom. That tub needs some work, but it was nice at one point. I don't know what that little shelf thing is right there. That's weird. So they have 2 bathrooms here. That one must be for like guests, like a powder room, or they were gonna have a pool back there and that's the pool bath.
Power line. Where does this go? How it goes to this box?
Is it another electrical box over there? Yeah. Oh, that runs through the house.
Yeah.
There's a box out there?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we should go look. All right, I gotta look at the kitchen. Now I'll go look. So here we go, going back to the center of the house. Here we are in the big room. That would be outside the porch. All nice, very nice porch. Go through here, you're in the kitchen, which is a very big kitchen. And then this whopping big great room, which it looks like they were gonna have a fireplace in. I don't know why everybody in Florida thinks they need a fireplace. It's a little overrated. And that way is the river. You can't see it because there's a swamp, but that's okay.